can't fuck with y'all niggas. All I do is ball, niggas. Catch me with my basketball in my basketball shorts, nigga. If life was like a movie, then you won't have no part, nigga. Got liver, got lungs, got ears, got mouth, but you ain't got no heart, nigga. Half these niggas be faking it, acting like they making it. Like Betty, we caking it. SCS, we taking it. Bare face, ain't no mistaking it. Welcome through strap, I'm blazing it. Cops around, your whole damn block. Blue and white, yellow taping it. Got my blunt, I'm facing it. Lil' die, want no haze in it. Black hand, need no chasing it. Chrome 38, hoe hating it. Stays in the hood, I was raised in it. Relocated and placed in it. The game is fucked, I'm raping it. The money gon' roll, we chasing it. Bitch, you must be dumb. Y'all know where I'm from. 187 Murderville, nigga, 911. Somebody call the cops, they know we got it done. Somebody getting shot, your ass better run. Brand new guns, they on the way. They send your bitch ass on your way. Make you lean back, rock away. Chopper hit you from a block away. A lot of niggas run like rock today. 5 shots, tell them not today. Run up on you and cock the K. See what your bitch ass got to say. I learned the game, I know the truth. Now the size of the gun, which one gon' shoot? No snakes, no case, no push, no proof. Who's the killer? Me and you. Got gas on gas on gats. I clap your faggot ass back. You best me with your strap. I lay your bitch ass flat. I come through with my goons. 12 o'clock in the afternoon. SCS, we here to stay. All you niggas make some room. Got a bad bitch on V12, and that bitch be gon' vroom vroom. Street sweepers on the block. I ain't talking about a boom boom. You niggas gon' respect my grind. You now looking at a brand new star. Just me and my yellow bitch riding now in my brand new car. Just deposit a check in the bank. Brought my mama that brand new house. You now in the press of motherfucking king. You motherfuckers better take a bow. I'm a rare breed. I hope they hear me. The insight to the game, I see it clearly. They try to hold me down and leave me fucked up, but I'm back grinding. I got my bucks up, thank